Want to set and achieve goals? Okay, not that type of goal. Let's talk about monetary goals to help your future self, remember this person? Live a financially healthy life. This is part 3 of our 5-part video series on good money habits. Money habit number 1 is to save your money instead of spending it. Money habit number 2 is to weigh the costs of every purchase or decision. Introducing money habit number 3, set smart financial goals. Financial goals are personal achievements we can make with our money, such as saving, spending smart, and investing. Let's put this concept into practice. Take a look at the following goal. I want to save money. This is a great goal, but it doesn't tell you things like why you want to save, how much money you need to save, and when you need to save it. Let's make it SMART. SMART means a goal is specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, and time-bound. Say that you want to buy an awesome mini drone for your budding photography business. Here's what saving money for that might look like as a SMART goal. I want to save $400 for a mini drone in 8 months. Notice how this goal is specific. You identify the thing you want. It's also measurable because you know how much the mini drone will cost. Your goal is achievable because you figured out how much money you can earn each month taking amazing pictures. You plan to set aside $50 monthly to go toward your goal. The goal is also realistic. Because you're making money, you should be able to save enough in a reasonable amount of time. Finally, your goal is time-bound. Since you can set aside $50 per month, it will take you 8 months to save for the $400 drone. With this SMART goal guiding you, you will have saved enough money to buy your drone in no time and can start using it within your business to make more money. Now write down 3 to 5 SMART goals of your own. Maybe you could set a goal to save for a new pair of sneakers or that upcoming class service trip. Whatever your goals, place them somewhere you can see them. This way, you will be more motivated to achieve them and can track your progress. It's okay too if you get tired of a specific goal over time. Keep the money you saved on standby for the next goal that comes around. Maybe an even bigger drone?